everyone, so this is Hates Minasan, so back again with another vlog. Hi, so this is Hates Minasan, but you can call me Mina for short. And for today's video, I'm going to give you my top 20 action Wattpad stories that you must read. So if you want to know more, then keep on watching. So first of all, I want to greet you all a happy holiday. So as we celebrate this season, and before I give you my action stories, I want to give a disclaimer first. So disclaimer lang, sorry po if mababanggit ko ulit yung name ni author and the story itself ng mali. And ayun, minsan nagkakalik lang ako, so I'm so sorry. And also, the story is already in my Wattpad reading list. At hindi ko na po siya ilalagay sa ating hindi ko na siya ilalagay sa ating description kasi mahirapan kayo. Minsan yung iba hindi nila nahahanap yung story, so it's better na i-search na lang yung username ko. Ito siya, and if hindi niyo siya makikita, nasa baba. And ando doon lang siya sa reading list ko, kasama ng iba pang mga stories na na-recommend ko dito. Oh, ang puti. So, ayun nga, kagaya ng sinabi ko, this is an action stories. If gusto mo yung mga type or prepare mo yung mga stories na more on actions na hindi po puro romance and puro cute-cute lang. So, this is a must-try stories. And also, bibigyan ko ng spoiler yung ibang story kasi yung iba naghahanap. Pero yung babasahin kong spoiler is from the description ni author dun sa story na ni-screenshot ko lang. Babasahin ko na lang siya dito. So, wait lang, Mars. So, proceed na tayo. So, the first one is The Gangster Chick by Justin G's. If bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, dito yung picture. So, para kita, no? So, yun. So, the second one is The Crash into a Gangster by Exceptionally a Poet. And number 3, Anastasia, the Mob Boss and the Stripper by Erotic Marie. And also, if you are still a minor and you are not ready to the rated 18 scenes, please, wag muna to kasi this story has content that is not suitable for the kids around 17 po. So, if you want to read it, then read at your own risk. So, yeah. The third one is Anastasia, the Mob Boss and the Stripper by Erotic Marie. So, this is the free view about it. Babasahin ko lang siya dito sa phone ko. So, a sickness of Anastasia's sister leads her towards a huge death. When her friend comes to her with a solution that will make her go from rags to riches, Anastasia immediately accepts, even if that means stripping. Everything was running smoothly until she was meet with the scary notorious mafia leader, Valentino Romano. Valentino was a man with no emotion, but when he was met with Anastasia, he knew that he wanted the blonde, gorgeous stripper at no moment what cost. So, this is an English story, but basta bahala na kayong magbasa. And as you can see naman, para kasi most of the time naman sa story sa mga Wattpad is nag-changes yung mga lalaki for the girl. Alam mo yun, yung from cold to the sweet lang. So, ayan nga. So, ayun na yun kay Marie, Erotic Marie. The fourth one will be Ace Bad Things by Broke On 93. And number 5, Beautiful Trauma by Angie Angsi. But this is already complete na. 6 is Saints and Sinners number 1. So this is a series. And unahan niyo muna syempre yung number 1. Which is ito nga, Saints and Sinner by Ultraviolent Death. Number, ano naman natin? Kidding. Number 7, Over My Dead Body by Rebel Fleur 00, but this is a paid story already. Kagaya ng sinasabi ko, pag paid story na siya, You can buy coins naman kay Wattpad or hintayin nyo na lang siya kung kailan siya magiging free. So, may gana, no? Hindi kasi minsan yung iba kasi nanghihinahin gumastos sa coins kasi dati hindi naman paid story yung mga story ni Wattpad. So, naninibago talaga. Kahit ako naninibago kasi dati kahit ilan yung i-add mo sa library mo na mababasa mo siya offline. Kahit umabot pa yun ng 100 okay lang eh. Ngayon, lumilipad. Ngayon kasi hindi na. Parang 3 na lang yung pwede mo ilagay or 2. Kasi maalin 2 or 3. Natigap ko lang. So, number 8 is Alliance. Number 1 by Last Envy. Last Envy. Number 9. This is an unexpected story. Hindi ko in-expect na sobrang ganda nito. This is ang Alalay Kong Astig. And this is already published with Summit Books. And yun na pag Summit Books yung nag-publish, sobrang gaganda ng papel nila. And sobrang gaganda ng pagkaka-illustrate ng characters. So, ayun, this is by Sweet Magnolia. So, ang ng Alalay Kong Astig is about Blake Monteverde is a living proof that Fins does still exist. He is the ideal boyfriend every teenage girl could dream of. He's the man every lady wish to date, and he is the husband every woman aspire to marry. He's handsome, intelligent, cool, and above all, a sole heir of a billion-peso worth company. His elite status give him the impression of being unapproachable, snob, and arrogant. But one day, his luxurious life turned into chaos. When a carefree, energetic, and martial art expert woman showed up, she volunteered to become his bodyguard. But as days went on, he fell in her unique charm only to find out that she's undercover police officer who's only using him as a bait to capture a notorious kidnapping scene. So sad. So, yun nga. Parang may part 2 to. Tingnan nyo na lang kay Sweet Magnolia. Number 10, this is Black Butterfly. This is by Lara Melissa. I can still remember kung kailan ko siya nabasa and kung saan. Una ko siya nabasa talaga is sa ebook. And to be honest, mga story dati, hindi ko alam kung mababaw lang talaga ako maka-appreciate dati na sobrang saya ko na pag nabasa ko yung ano. Pero dati feel ko ang laman-laman ng story na unang sinulat nila kaysa sa inedit nila ngayon. Kasi dati parang feeling ko, daman-dama ko yung mga eksena during the ebook days. And ebook days talaga, doon talaga ako nabuo bilang Wattpadder. Sobrang kumpleto ko nung nag-start ako sa ebook days. And ayun nga, yung story ng Black Butterfly, sobrang ganda. Kung mahilig ka sa action, must try. Top then, Gangster High by Kyra Kim. Number 12, this is Playing with Fire by XX Last Summer XX. Tama, XX. 13, The Shy Girl Has a Gun by Make and Offer. 14, Brown-Eyed Queen by Freaking Chick. And, tayo guys, mga stories na recommend ko today. Yung mga stories na recommend ko today is Taglish, yung iba mga puro English, and most of them is Taglish. So, ay mga tututo ka mag-English. Mahasa English mo. Asa na nga tayo? Number 15. Gangster Teacher by Miss Author A. Ayoko na. So, yun na nga. Ang ingay, sobra minimal pa yan. Pag nagre-review ako dun sigla mga yan. Number 16, Undercover Chick by Sunny Zaidap. Ang cute ng spell ng Sunny Zaidap niya. 17, Meet the Lost Assassin by White Beast. 18, When Gangster Meet the Sadist by Archistep. 19, Unpredictable Me, the Empress by Go Lucky Charm. And lastly, 20, Apostle 13, Welcome Ad Infernum by Altea de la Rama. So, that's 20. And to tell you guys, ang 20 na to is not ranking. Hindi ko na rank kung alin yung pinakamaganda, pinakasikat. We don't do that here. Numbering lang siya, kaya 20, top 20. Kasi, ang hirap kasi bigyan ng lahatan, di ba? hindi nyo tatapusin yung video. So, ayun nga, hindi ko siya nirarank kasi all of the story have a unique feel na binibigay sa isang reader. So, kayo nang bahala mag-rank. Pero for me, I don't do ranking. Okay? At dahil tapos na nga ako sa mga exam ko, ay nakakahinga-hinga na ako ngayon. Char, hindi pa ako medyo makahinga-hinga ng ayos kasi may hika ako ngayon. Nabasa ako ng ulan kahapon and marami kong ginawa. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng free time kasi although wala man talaga akong ginagawa madalas sa bahay, I usually want to spend time with myself, and that's one of the most essential thing that you must do to give time to yourself kasi it's a way up to calm down yourself from the stress and more. And before I forgot, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for believing that I will going to continue doing this vlog, and thank you for supporting me. And as you can see on my last vlog, I already got my Google AdSense pin, and I hope you can still support me until the end of the vlog. So ayun lang, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next video, and I hope next year or in the 2022 I will be active in doing this vlog, and you can recommend me the story that you want me to do on the description, on the comment section, so I will know what's on your mind. So that's all. Thank you again. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye bye.